This video is actually of my daughter power carving this walnut catch-all bowl. It was my first time teaching someone else how to power carve. She used angle grinder with the Arbortech Turboplane, which I learned how to use a year ago when I was at DiResta's Obey the Grain class. We were real happy with how it turned out. This piece of walnut is off of a tree that had died down at my family farm, and we salvaged some pieces. So this also goes, it comes from the same tree that I used the pieces for my mom's Lazy Susan, which is in another video that's been posted. So you'll be seeing a lot of this tree be used and repurposed and distributed through projects to the family. So hope you enjoy. This was Katie's first time power carving or using an angle grinder at all. So she penciled in a rough sketch of how big the bowl was going to be in the middle, so she knew how much to cut out and what her boundaries were. One thing I learned the hard way when I started power carving was to make sure you were only using the right side of the blade. About noon till 4 o'clock is the sweet spot on the blade to be using, so be careful not to go backwards, not to swipe right when power carving. Power carving is a great starter project, in my opinion, for someone who's not necessarily into making, because it's very free form and just takes a few lessons and ready to go. After carving out the inside of the bowl and trimming off the excess corners on the bandsaw, she started working on the outside of the bowl. Used the belt sander to smooth out some rough areas. We used some Starbond CA glue to strengthen up a couple areas on the side of the bowl that had a natural knot. Progress today so far with the walnut, using the Arbortech Turboplane, filling a couple cracks with some Starbond. Added a couple layers of shellac, and the project was wrapped up.